Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to recover deleted emails in Outlook. So let's start. Open your Outlook application and you can see in inbox 12 emails. So I select all this email, press the Control A and you can see all emails is selected. After that, go to the folder tab. In cleanup group, click on the delete all option and here move everything in this folder to your deleted items folder. Just click on the yes and that's it. You can see all emails is deleted. Now to recover deleted emails, simply go to the again folder tab. In cleanup group, click on the recover deleted item. Here you can see the all deleted email. Okay, select all email. Just click on this here one option, select all. You can see all emails is selected. Then click on OK. That's it. Wait for the few seconds and you can see your 12 emails is recovered in your inbox again. Okay, that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.